Today we're slinging away all our problems with our new stylish unisex sling bag. It comes shipped to your door packed inside a nice little canvas storage bag, and I'm honestly keeping this for other storage options. But the coolest thing is inside the storage bag. Another bag. But this one has an awesome design with a cool blue-green fade. It comes complete with all the storage compartments you need to organize your things on the go. On the back, you can find quick release clamps that you can take off and adjust from sling bag to dainty backpack. To do this, you can unzip the strap and make 2 straps for backpack mode. But I like the sling bag feature. Also on the back, you can find a hidden storage compartment. This will be against your back, and you can keep your valuables safe when traveling. On the side, you have a little water bottle compartment. Then on the front, you have a big zipper pocket, a medium zipper pocket with a pencil holder and business card holder slots, and then a small front pocket. The sling bag is small, but has enough storage space to store plenty of the things you might want with you. I'm always out working around on the farm, so now I can carry my things with me and have what I need when I need it. The padding on the back is comfortable and it feels nice while wearing it. I hardly even notice it until I need something. And then I'm happy I brought it. The design is so bright and colorful that I'll be sure not to lose this in the woods. It stands out from a mile away. So if you want to keep your valuables safe while being a showstopper too, this adjustable sling bag backpack combo might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go on another hike. It's a beautiful day, and I've got a beautiful backpack to enjoy it with. See ya!